Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and phone model, and backup contacts so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps or Default Apps. This is where dialer assignments live. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi or mobile data on if the new dialer requires download. You're now ready to pick or install a dialer app. Do that next, and don't close Settings yet. You download a trusted dialer app from Google Play and open it once to trigger permission prompts. Grant phone, contacts, and microphone access so the pad can show contacts and call. Next, return to Settings and go to Default Apps, then Phone app, and choose the new dialer as default. Once selected, test opening the dial pad from the phone shortcut and from incoming call screens to verify integration works across the system. You now customize layout, theme, and T9 options inside the dialer app. Change font size or keypad style so it's comfortable to use. Then test by calling a contact, using search, checking voicemail, and ensuring emergency numbers still work. If something breaks, first clear the app cache and data, then reassign the default phone app in Settings. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the dialer. Make sure permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.